Let's look at what happens if $2,500 is invested in a certificate of deposit, otherwise known as a CD, at 10% interest, APR, which is compounded continuously for 15 years. Okay, so let's see. When we see the words compounded continuously, right, this right here, continuously, tells us that we're using this A equals P e to the RT equation, where A is amount, P is principal, that's the amount that was originally put into the investment. Okay, R is rate in decimal form, and of course T is time. Okay, so let's plug everything in. So this is our initial investment, so that'll be our principal. 10% will be our rate, but remember to move that decimal 2 places to the left to put it in decimal form, so it'll be 0.1. Right? We don't have to say 0.10, it's 0.1, okay, because a 0 to the right of a number, or to the right of a decimal place doesn't matter if there's no numbers after it. Okay, and 15 years, that'll be our T. Alright, so let's do it. A equals principal, $2,500. E to the power of rate, 0.1 times time, which is 15. Into the calculator it goes. Here's how I will put it in mine, which is a TI, 2,500 times, and then I'll hit the e to the x key. So this is the times key, the e to the x key, and then it brings up parentheses, at least in my calculator. Yours might not, so then you'd have to put in the parentheses yourself. 0.1 times 15, close parentheses, and then enter. Alright, when I calculate all that, it gives $11,204.22. Alright, so not bad. Not bad for 15 years, right? 10% would be a pretty good rate on a CD. Honestly, you don't actually see that. But yeah, that would be a great rate, because then this $2,500, throw it in there and do nothing for 15 years, and suddenly you have $11,000. Yeah, that's a good investment.